Hi, I'm Simon, an Aaron Services heating engineer. If you suddenly find yourself without heating, here in conjunction with your manufacturer's instructions are a few simple checks. Firstly, check if you have power to the boiler. If you are a prepaid customer, please check you have credit on your electric meter. Is the power off? Are any other appliances affected? Has the power isolator to the boiler, the plug or the fuse spur been accidentally turned off? Is the boiler turned on at the boiler control? Is the boiler display or the indicator light active? Check your consumer unit to confirm your trip switches are on. Next, check if you have gas available. If you are a prepaid customer, please ensure your gas meter has credit. You can check this by identifying if any other gas appliances are affected, for example, your gas cooker or gas hob. Has the emergency gas valve by your gas meter been accidentally turned off? If so, please contact your landlord so an Aaron Services engineer can attend to carry out the relevant gas safety checks. Do you know if your heating system has adequate water pressure? Does your boiler have a pressure gauge or a fill-in loop? If yes, you may have a digital or a mechanical dial. Look for a pressure of around 1 bar. This is your fill-in loop. You have 2 valves. You'll see the pressure gauge dial going up. Stop at 1 bar. Ensure you turn them off again. You may need to reset the boiler. Now check your heating controls. Set the boiler control timer to continuous to enable it to call for heat. Is central heating selected on your boiler? Set the boiler heating thermostat to maximum. Is the room thermostat turned up to call for heat? This needs to be higher than the room it is located. We would normally recommend this is around 21 degrees. Find and press the reset button on your boiler. Let's take a look at your radiators. Are the cold radiators turned on? Is the thermostatic radiator valve, your TRV, turned to maximum? If, when you check, the TRV is fully open and the radiator remains cold after 5 minutes, the pin on the TRV may be stuck. This will require the attention of an engineer. Is the radiator hot at the bottom and cold at the top? The radiator may have air in it and will need to be carefully bled using a radiator key. If you have bled the radiator, it will need topping up using the system or boiler filling loop. If you cannot do this, please contact your landlord. If after following these steps you are still having problems, please contact your landlord who will send out an Aaron Services engineer.